In this video, you'll learn how to turn a page into a template in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to create reusable templates that enhance your productivity and organization within the Notion platform. First, navigate to the Notion website by entering notion.so into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features options to sign in or create an account. If you are already logged in, continue to the next step. Locate the page you want to turn into a template. You can find your pages listed on the left sidebar. Click on the specific page that you wish to convert. Once you select the page, it will open, displaying its contents in the main workspace area. After the page opens, look for the Share button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to access the sharing options. If you have not previously shared this page, you may need to enable sharing options for visibility. Next, click on the Publish option that appears in the sharing settings. This action will allow your page to be accessible to others. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the page is now published. Once published, navigate to the Customize Site Styling option within the same settings menu. This feature allows you to personalize the appearance of your template. After selecting this option, a new panel will open, showing various customization settings. In the customization panel, find and click on the favicon option. This allows you to upload a small icon that represents your template, enhancing its visual identity. After selecting a favicon, ensure it meets the recommended size for optimal display. Next, click on the page icon option to set an icon for your template. This will help users quickly identify the template in their workspace, choose an appropriate icon from the available options, and confirm your selection. Now, click on the header option to customize the header section of your template. You can modify the text and style to match your template's purpose. Once you finish editing, remember to save your changes. After customizing the header, click on the back button to return to the main sharing settings. This step ensures you are back in the correct menu to continue with the template creation process. Next, locate and click on the Google Analytics option. This feature allows you to track the usage of your template. If you wish to enable analytics, follow the prompts to integrate your Google Analytics account. Once you've configured Google Analytics, click on the back button again to return to the sharing settings. This will allow you to finalize your template's visibility settings. Now find and click on the Share option once more. In the sharing settings, look for the Discoverable on the web checkbox. Click on it to make your template easily accessible to others online. A confirmation message should appear after enabling this feature. After that, enable the option to duplicate as template. This action will allow users to create their versions of your template. Make sure this option is checked to facilitate template sharing. Next, click on Manage All Sites and Links to review the settings associated with your template. This section provides an overview of all links and settings related to your published template. Once you have finished managing your links, click on Close to exit the management settings. This will bring you back to the main sharing page for your template. Following this, click on Share via Social. This option allows you to share your template across various social media platforms. Choose the platforms you wish to share your template on. Now, select either X or WhatsApp to share your template directly through these channels. This step requires your social media accounts to be connected to Notion for seamless sharing. Next, click on Publish again to finalize the sharing settings for your template. A loading indicator may appear as your settings are updated, followed by a confirmation message. Finally, click on View Site to see how your newly created template appears to others. Review the layout and functionality to ensure everything is set as desired before sharing it widely. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.